Let's build this new material Gmail UI. Start a new Flutter project. First, let's clean up a little bit. And run the application. We obviously need a list view. So let's replace the column with list view. Let's provide a item builder as a member function. And it should return a widget represents one item. Let's return a text, which the text is just an item with the index. Here we go. We got a list view with infinite items. Let's specify the item count. Looks good. For each item, we want to show an avatar representing the sender. Let's wrap this with a row. And the first item will be a circle avatar. The child will be just a text. Here we have the avatar. Let's add some padding. Now let's construct the email thread summary. It should contain a list of senders, a subject, and an email snippet, and optionally a list of attachments. So obviously we will need a column, and we will provide a few more text widgets. Let's duplicate the text widget. The first one is sender, the second one is subject, the third one is the snippet. Now let's create a list of attachments. They look like outlined buttons. That will be a row of outlined buttons. Okay, we have the buttons. Let's get the border rounded. Specify the shape as rounded rectangle border with a border radius as border radius circular, and the radius is, let's say, 30.0 format. Okay, the corner is rounded. Let's add more buttons to see the result. We need to align the widgets in the column a little bit. Cross-axis alignment. Cross-axis alignment. Start. Save. Add a little bit padding after each button. Also align the avatar to the top of the row. Enable the button by provide the unpressed callback. Now you can click on the attachment button.